Welcome, students. I welcome you to the year 2021 on online teaching and learning session from Gokhale Education Society, HL High School English Medium. I, named Mrs. Anita Nambiar, will teach you the EVS subject of Standard 5th. Today we are going to learn the lesson Our Earth and Solar System. So, on the first page of the lesson, you will see there's this picture of the sun, the earth. These things you're knowing and you're observing in your day to day life. The earth, which is the part of the living world, and the sun, which we see in the sky, you're knowing it. When we look up in the sky, you will see the sun, the stars, the moon. Other than these, there are many other heavenly bodies in the sky. Stars. Stars, they have their own light. The sun. The sun is a star. Planet. The earth is a planet. Why earth is a planet? Why do we say it is a planet? Because it takes light from others. Why do we say sun is a star? We say because it has its own light, and stars they have their own light. But sun it appears bigger, moon it appears bigger to us, and stars they are tiny, small, some are very bright, some are very little fainter in brightness. Why these things are observed? Because stars are far away from us and the moon and the sun is closer to us. Now we will try to understand the solar system. The sun is the important part of the solar system. Other than the sun, there are other planets in the sky. These planets are known as heavenly bodies. Which are these heavenly bodies? Do you know the names of the planets? Yes, some of you are knowing it. They are Mars, Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn, Uranus, and Pluto. Along with these, with the sun, all these form the solar system. In this solar system, there are many other heavenly bodies. They are, for example, the dwarf planets, named as the dwarf planet. Now, why this dwarf name? Because they are the smaller heavenly bodies which move along with the other planets in between the other planets around the sun. For example, Pluto. The path, the line along which they move around the sun, these planets, those are known as orbits. They do not change their line, they move in their own orbits. Another one is asteroids. These are a band of planets, these are innumerable planets. They go in one group and revolve around Jupiter and Mars. Satellites. There are other heavenly bodies in the solar system. They are known as satellites. Moon is the satellite of the earth. Satellite also take light from others. Moon also takes light from the sun. These revolve around the stars. They revolve around the sun. Gravity. This is in context to the earth. Gravity is a force which keeps us holding to the ground level of the earth. When we keep a particular thing on this earth, does it move from here to there unless we push it or lift it? No, it doesn't move. Unless and until we apply force to it or if we give strength to it, then it moves from one place to another. If we are standing in one place, we will be standing in one place. Yes, if we are running, if someone pushes us, then we will fall down. In this way, what is that holding us down? What is this holding us in one particular place in correct form? It is known as the gravitational force. It is known as the gravitational force. So hold the things which are holded on this earth by which force? That is known as gravity. Now, another example you can see of gravity in your day to day life is the things on the trees, on top of your terraces, or if you throw a ball and it comes down. How it comes down? Due to this gravitational force. The leaves they fall down. When they dry off, they fall down. So, anything which is thrown in the air or it is up in the air, it comes down. And if we want to lift this above these things above the earth's gravitational force, opposite to the gravitational force, we have to apply more stronger force, more energy to lift it or move it from the gravity into the sky till the space where do we want it. So for example, the in the Diwali festival, if you burn a rocket, it goes up into the sky until and unless it is burning, it will move up into the sky. Once the burning is over, it comes down again to the earth. It means that force it exerts him to go into the upper layer up till the high level, and once that force is over, again the gravitational force bring it down. In this manner, you are you must try to understand that whatever thing which is on this earth is exerted or which has the impact of the gravitational force, so it is staying in on its own place. What is Now try to understand the concept space. What is this space? The emptiness. No, nothing is there. Yes, if you move your hand, there is nothing. Till the sky to the earth. Yes, until and unless you touch or feel something. So this emptiness. Yes, if you observe the emptiness, yes, in the atmosphere from the sky to the earth, this is known as the space. This is known as the space. So, for moving the rockets, space rockets, the aeroplanes, the helicopter against the force of gravity, a large quantity of fuel is burnt to send these rockets against the force of gravity into the sky. Our country is well known for space launch technology. The ones who study about the space, about the solar system, about the satellites, about the heavenly bodies, they go with the rockets and study the heavenly bodies. These people are known as astronauts. Our famous astronaut, the name is given here, one name is given in the lesson, that is Rakesh Sharma, then Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. These are the astronauts of our well known astronauts of our country. Now about your homework, read the blue paragraphs which are in the lesson and try to find the answers. If you are having any doubt, we can discuss in the group which we have made. Okay, read the lesson and collect information about astronauts, rockets. Thank you.